In this article, we will share the details for the Genshin Impact Error Code -1, 4308, which reads, "An unknown error has occurred." As per our research, this error comes when users try to launch the game loads fine at the start screen, but then it shows the error code -1, 4308. In our research, we also have found that this error mainly comes for PlayStation users, especially those who are using the game on PS4. As of now, there is no official information available on this error, and even in our research we were unable to find anything solid to make any claims, but we have found a few workarounds shared by the users who have faced the same problem. Our first advice for you will be to restart your gaming device along with the network hardware, router, modem, and then check if the error still comes or not. If the error still occurs, then we will advise you to connect over a different Wi-Fi connection, or connect over a mobile hotspot connection, then check if connecting over an alternate connection resolves the issue or not. If the error still comes, then try repairing the game files and then check for the error again. Go to your launcher settings, then choose Repair Game Files, then choose Repair Now, then check if the error still comes or not. If the error still continues after rebooting your system and repairing the game's files, then you should try re-downloading the game. During our research, this was the workaround that was recommended by most of the users, although a few users have shared that reinstalling the game hasn't helped them with the error. So it's up to you, but if reinstalling the game is possible for you, then you can consider giving it a try. Maybe this works for you. If you still receive the error, then our advice for you will be to get in touch with the game support to report the problem. If you want to get in touch with Genshin Impact support, then you can refer to the genshin.hoyoverse.com. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit Quaries.com.